What does perfect even mean?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dailia Cee. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So today's video, I am going to create this look right here using my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. If you guys are interested in this video, please continue to watch. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. With further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I already did my brows off camera, and now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm gonna apply that to my eyelid. As always, I'm taking my Maybelline City Bronzer in 300 and use that as a transition color. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty palette, Desert Dusk, and I'm gonna take this orange color, Blazing, So I'm now going to take Quad and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So for my eyelids, I'm going to be applying Turkish Delight. So to moisturize my face, I'll be using e.l.f. Nourishing Facial Oil. I'm now gonna apply my foundation. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330. Alright, so for concealer, I will be using e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium beige. And to contour, I'm just going to use my NYX Wonder Stick in Deep Profound. Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. What did I do with my nose? Kids, don't try this at home.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging.
And I'm gonna set my highlighted area with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. So to set my contour, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline City Bronzer in 300. So now I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fix Spray. So for blush, I'm gonna use the NYX High Definition Blush in Bitch Babe. One of my favorite blush. And highlighter, I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes, and it's just some lashes that I already used before, so I'm just gonna reuse it. And my lashes, I get them from AliExpress, so I'm just gonna blow on it a little so it can be tacky.
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
So for my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with this brown pencil right here.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And for lip gloss, I'll be using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Amber.
Yeah, I've disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
So for my inner tear duct, I went in my Jackiana palette and used Soleil. Is it Soli or Solier? Whatever it is, that's what I use for my inner tear duct. Alright guys, so I am back and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!